In this video, I'll be sharing 10 free tuition universities in Germany where you can study Masters in Economics, International Business or Management. Hi, if you're a returning subscriber, I'm happy to have you once again on my channel, and if you are new to this page, welcome. My name is Favour and I'm a Nigerian currently doing my Masters here in Germany. Please don't forget to like the video as it helps the video to be pushed by the YouTube algorithm. And do well to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed and become part of my Favoured family. The schools and courses I'll be mentioning in this video are basically for Masters in Economics, International Business or Management. In the previous video, I shared 10 free tuition universities where you can study Bachelors in Economics, International Business or Management. So do well to let me know where you're watching me from and your course of interest. Hopefully I can make a video on that too. In my previous videos, I have shared step-by-step process of how to study in Germany for free and benefits of studying in Germany as an international student. If you haven't seen those videos, please do well to watch them so you can have background knowledge or information about studying in Germany for free. And please don't skip any part of this video so you don't miss any important information. I have a bonus tip I will share at the end of the video, so do well to watch the video till the end. So without further delay, I will switch over to my computer right now. Like I mentioned in one of my videos, I talked about one website where you can find all the available German universities and courses, and that website is www.daad.de, and I will search on it right now. So it will take you to this page. When you get to this page, what I want you to do is to click on international programs, and the next page will be this. So I want you to go to course type, click on Masters, and for language, click on English. Then the field of study, I want you to click on Economics and Social Sciences. So search. I have been able to search and find 10 universities where you can study Economics, International Business or Management free of charge, and I will take you through those courses right now. But the thing is that most of these courses you will need to apply before 15th of July, because most of them 15th of July is their deadline, so you will need to apply before the deadline. The first school that I found you can submit application before 15th of July is a master's degree in economic behavior and governance, and it is in University of Kassel. So you can see that the teaching language is in English and the application deadline is 31st of July. So if you are interested in this course, please do well to make your application before 31st of July. Here you can be able to find all the application requirements and the application procedure. The second I found is master's degree in economic policy analysis, and the school is in Magdeburg. So if you are interested in this course, please do well to apply before 15th of July. And you can see that the teaching language is in English. Here you can be able to find all the information you need concerning the application requirements and the application procedure. So do well to apply to this school if you are interested in this course. The next school I found for you is Master's Degree in Economics, and it is in Heinrich-Heine University in Düsseldorf. So if you are interested in this school, please do well to apply before 15th of July. As you can see that the teaching language is in English. So here you can be able to find all the information you need concerning the application procedure and the application requirements. So do well to check out this school if you are interested in this course. The next I found for you is Master's Degree in Economics and Finance. So if you are interested in this course, and it is in Rhein-Waal University of Applied Sciences in Kleve. So if you are interested in this course, please do well to make your application before 15th of July. As you can see that the teaching language is in English, and here you can be able to find all the information you need concerning the application requirements and the application procedure. So if you are interested in this course, do well to apply before 15th of July. The next school I found for you is Master's Degree in Economics and Institutions, and it is in Philipps Universität Marburg. So if you are interested in this school and the teaching language is in English, the application deadline for winter semester is 15th of July. If you are interested in this school, you can be able to find the application procedure and the application requirements. So do well to check out this school and the course if you're interested to make your application. The next school I found is also in the same school, Philipps Universitat Marburg. So if you're interested in economics of the Middle East, please do well to apply to them. It is still in the same school in Marburg, and the teaching language is in English, and the deadline is 15th July. So if you're interested, do well to go through the application requirements and the application procedure and make your application before 15th of July. The next school I found for you is Master's Degree in Economics, Data Science and Policy, and it is in Martin Luther University, Halle-Wittenberg. So if you are interested in this course, I found out that their application deadline is 15th of July and the teaching language is English. So if you are interested, do well to go through the application requirements and the application procedure so that you can make your application before 15th of July. The next school I found for you is Master's Degree in European Management. So if you are interested in this course, and it is in Technical University of Applied Sciences, Wildau. So if you are interested in this course, please do well to check them out. The teaching language is in English and the application deadline is 15th of July. So do well to check out this course. Here you can be able to find all the available information you need concerning the application requirements and the application procedure. So do well to check them out and make your application before 15th of July if you are interested in the course. So the next school that I found for you is Master's Degree in Financial Economics, and the school is in Magdeburg. So if you are interested in this school and the course, please do well to check them out. The teaching language is English. The application deadline for international students is 15th July. So here you can be able to find all the information you need concerning the application requirements and the application procedure. So do well to check them out and make your application as soon as possible because the deadline is 15th July. So the 10th university that I found for you is Master's Degree in Global Business Development, and it is in Kempten University of Applied Sciences. So if you're interested in this course, the teaching language is English and the application deadline is 15th July for the following winter. So do well to make your application before 15th of July. Here you can be able to find the application requirements and the application procedure. So do well to apply to them if you're interested in the course and make your application before 15th July. So like I said earlier at the beginning of the video, I said I have a bonus tip for those that will watch this video till the end. So I have one additional school that I would love to share with you, and it is Master's Degree in International Management and Sustainability. So here you can be able to find the school, and the teaching language is in English, and the application period is 1st May to 15th July. So if you're interested in this course and the school, please do well to make your application before 15th of July. And here you can be able to find all the information you need concerning the application requirements and the application procedure. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a like, comment, also share to your loved ones. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe and become part of my Favoured family. So until my next video, stay blessed. See you in my next video. Love you. Bye.